Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Students, this video is based upon the topic saliva, the definition, composition and the secretion types of the saliva secreted out by the salivary glands. In this video, I'll also talk about the salivary glands and their types present in the oral cavity. Saliva is an important component and has significant role in the digestive system of the human being. The process of digestion starts by the secretion of the salivary glands, that is saliva. Saliva is a complex fluid secreted out by the salivary glands present in the oral cavity. So let's start. Saliva. Saliva is a mixture of three types of the salivary glands secretions. Salivary glands are present in the pairs forms. They are parotid gland, submandibular glands, lingual glands. They produce the saliva. Saliva is basically responsible for the production of the fluid and the digestive enzymes for homogenization, lubrication, and digestion of the carbohydrates and lipid. So the process of the digestion starts by the salivary gland secretions, that is saliva. Salivary glands, here you can see there are three salivary glands: parotid glands, submandibular glands, and the sublingual glands. Parotid gland is a serous type of the gland. Its secretions are more watery. It contributes 20% of the saliva. Then the submandibular gland, its secretions are the mixed types of the secretion. It is a mixed gland. Its contribution in the total content of the saliva is 70%. Then the sublingual gland. It is also a mixed type of gland. Its secretions are thick and the viscous, but it has less contribution as 5% in the total content of the saliva. So these are the salivary glands. All of these salivary gland secretions make the saliva, which is a complex fluid secreted out by these three salivary glands. Now the composition of the saliva. Composition of the saliva includes the electrolytes, salivary alpha amylase, lingual lipase, mucins, immunoglobulin A, antibacterials. Electrolytes are the potassium bicarbonates, which are high in concentration, and sodium and chlorine, which are low in concentration as compared to the plasma concentration of these ions. Then the composition of the saliva also includes the salivary amylase. Salivary amylase is an enzyme that digests the carbohydrate component of the food stuff taken up by the human being. It digests the starch component, which is a type of the carbohydrate, and the carbohydrate digestion starts from the salivary amylase. Then the lingual lipase. Lingual lipase digests the lipid content of the food. It is secreted out by the Ebner's gland. Mucin is a glycoprotein, which is also the component of the saliva. Then the immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulin IgA. Immunoglobulin A antibody that have function in the immunity against the bacterial action present in the oral cavity. Then the antibacterials, which include the lysozymes. These have the hydrolytic enzymes that attack the bacterial cell wall to inhibit the growth of the bacteria in the oral cavity and to clean the food stuff taken out by the oral cavity. Then the secretions type of the saliva secreted out by the salivary glands. We have two types of the secretions in the saliva: primary secretion of the saliva and the secondary secretions of the saliva. Primary secretions. The acinar cells secrete out the saliva, isotonic primary saliva. Its composition is similar to the plasma composition. As I have told you earlier, all the components are present in the primary secretion of the saliva. But as we move to the secondary saliva, before enters to the mouth, the saliva is modified via passing through the ducts. This saliva is called the secondary saliva. So secondary saliva is a modified saliva. For example, the secondary saliva, which is actually go into the drain to the mouth has been converted or modified, in which the NaCl has been reabsorbed in exchange of the potassium and the bicarbonates. So this is the secondary saliva. Secondary saliva is actively present in the lumen of the mouth cells. So this is all about the saliva, its composition and the secretion types. Thank you very much.